Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Wumi Ogumaki at Steady Income Now. And today's topic, one of today's topics, we're going to go over how to quit your job. Now, I will say this, not everybody can quit their job. And I will say FYI, before you walk out or before you turn in your resignation or notice, make sure you have things in order. And if you haven't thought about it yet, still make sure you have things in order. Okay? So with that said, let's jump right in. And so here I have, some things that I put down together that you might, want to reference. So you want to quit your job, and sometimes one of the questions that will come up will be, what am I, how are you going to do this? How are you going to pay your bills? How are you going to stay above water? So we're going to go over this real quick. Step 1, very important, make a decision when you want to quit your job. Only you know when this is going to happen. Only you know where the shoe hurts the most. Nobody else knows this but you. Okay? Next thing, figure out what type of business. Oops, I made a typo there. Let me type that real quick. Figure out. Wow, I can't even type. Okay. Figure out what type of business you would like to start. It's very important. And you need to be realistic about what you are going to do to maximize your time and leverage your time. Because once you quit your job and you have a business, you have to structure things very differently. Okay, so with that being said, the next thing would be, once you've decided, know your numbers. You have to know how much you need to make every month to keep yourself from drowning, okay? You do not let fear have you paralyzed. Instead, use the fear as the drive, the force to propel you to your freedom, So you use that. Don't be scared. You take this chance, you take this chance, and right now it's all about finding that's going to work for you, and you push it to the limit, okay? Once you've decided, when you know your numbers, you know how many sales, what it is you need to do every day to make sure you hit that goal so that you have money. Because you have to have money to sustain, but also while you're having this money, to make sure that, your expenses have to reduce. Because the whole goal is we want to keep more of our money. We don't want to spend too much. So make sure that, whatever you're putting out isn't as much. You have to kind of curb your spending and, really be on a budget, or at least try to. So, okay, moving up. Step 2, take action. It's important. Once you've decided this, and you know what it is you're going for, and you know the numbers, the next step to do is to take action. And that would be promoting your business every day, either through free marketing strategies or using paid marketing strategies. I would suggest you try and use both. But if you're on a budget, all you have right now is time, then so be it. If that means you have to do a more engagement, prospecting, or just engaging with people either on social media like Facebook and Instagram, you're going to have to get out of your comfort zone doing YouTube videos, Facebook Lives, Instagram Lives, Periscope, which is Twitter, Snapchat if you want to. You're going to have to get out of your comfort zone because people need to know what your business is about and be aware that you're promoting this business. Okay, so one of the quickest ways to get paid really fast is a business that pays out high commissions. And once you get this, you have to market this business daily, okay? So you can get as many eyes on there on your offer so that you can get paid. Oh, and don't forget to make sure that you set up either PayPal or have your bank account set up to receive payments when it's time for you to get paid your commissions, okay? Keep a business journal of all your trials, triumphs, mistakes, and lessons learned. It kind of helps when you have things written down, and also putting your goals and stuff so that you could always go back maybe every week on the weekend and reflect, okay, this is what I did for the week. What didn't I do? What I can do better? What I can do next week to improve my business. Okay? Always keep learning. The more you invest in yourself, the turnaround and turn around and teach what you've learned is golden, because the marketplace will value you because you're putting out valuable content that's going to help somebody, hit that next level in their business, or looking to quit their job and following your footsteps, and also, determining for themselves if they're going to go this route that you've gone, but at least knowing that somebody did it and they can try it and they can do it too. Okay. You must have a call to action when you're delivering your content, whether it's for them to click to get a free offer, whether it's for them to participate in your business, whether it's for them to, get this free gift, to go ahead and enter into this vacation getaway. You always have to have a call of action. You need to tell your audience what to do, where to go. You don't want to just leave them out in the cold hanging, because if you don't tell them what to do, another business owner will, and you're going to lose out on some major sales. Okay. Now, the next one will be share your results no matter how small. Your audience share your results no matter how small. Your audience wants to know what you did, how it worked for you. And you know what? When you give social media testimonies or results of what's going on with you in your business, and they see that you're moving from A to B, and you're making it, you're going ahead, you're forging forward, you're progressing. However they met you some months ago, you've moved, you've just gone so far from that. Look, sharing can get you a lot of sales, can get you a lot of inquiries, a lot of engagement, because people will be like, whoa, you're doing that. That's awesome. I need to do what she's doing. I need to do what he's doing. I need to follow their blueprint, share the juice. So anyways, guys, I hope that my little tidbits will help you, will help somebody make that decision in their lives that they want to quit their job, or at least have a side business. And so the next question would be for you to, when you decide to quit your job, will be when you're making full-time income from your part-time business, then you'll know when it's time to exit. Adios. With that being said, guys, I hope you find this helpful. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. And I will see you guys on my next video. Have a wonderful, wonderful day and stay focused.